In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can delete Brawl Stars account in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So we are in this desktop. I installed Brawl Stars games through BlueStacks. So I will open it and here is Brawl Star game. Now to delete account on Brawl Stars, firstly you need to open it. After opening this, in right top side, it will show you these three lines. Click on that. And these type of settings will open. Now from here, you have to find this help and support and open it. After opening this, it will show you these sum of options. From here you can select this account. Scroll it down, then you will get this access and delete your data. Click on that. It will open up these new options where you can select this request deletion for your personal data. Then scroll it down. Here you will get this option delete my data. Click on that. Then it will show you this Brawl Stars support where you can select this. Do you want to delete this game? And then select this. I agree to delete my data, and at last it will give you this option to delete your account. Simply click on that and your account will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your account on Brawl Stars in just few easy steps.